Welcome to XRP News Channel. Will XRP ETF set XRP price for a big rebound? XRP has experienced a significant price surge over the past week, climbing nearly 90% from its April lows and reaching a new record high of $3.66 on Friday. Despite this strong performance, analysts suggest that XRP may not have entered its parabolic phase just yet. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next crypto news, as several technical indicators still point to further upside potential. XRP price volatility on Sunday, XRP rebounded sharply off the $3.40 zone following a steep sell-off, ultimately closing the 24-hour session around $3.47. The bounce came amid signs of institutional accumulation and price stabilization. This recovery followed a temporary drop of over 4%, during which XRP tested liquidity below $3.42. However, buyers quickly stepped in with volume nearly 3 times the daily average, reflecting strong conviction at those levels. By the final hour of trading, XRP regained upward momentum, recovering more than 2% from its intraday lows. Adding fuel to the rally, ProShares launched the first-ever XRP Linked ETF on July 18, marking a major milestone by offering institutional investors access through traditional brokerage platforms. At the same time, the U.S. House passed 3 landmark bills, which collectively address key issues like digital asset taxation, securities classification, and crypto market structure. These developments have cleared significant regulatory hurdles for XRP, lifting long-standing legal ambiguities and opening the door to its inclusion in future spot ETF filings. Ripple vs. SEC, latest developments however. Some excitement dimmed when hopes of a regulatory breakthrough failed to materialize. Speculation had been swirling ahead of the SEC's closed-door meeting on Thursday, July 18, with many anticipating a potential vote to drop its appeal in the SEC versus Ripple case. But the SEC remained silent, and former SEC attorney Mark Fagel cautioned that a vote was unlikely so soon after Judge Torres rejected a joint motion for an indicative ruling. This lack of resolution weighed slightly on sentiment, contributing to XRP's pullback from its new all-time high of $3.6629 to below $3.50. How high can XRP price go? Nevertheless, XRP remains buoyed by bullish momentum. In the last 24 hours, the token rose another 3%, fueled by optimism in the broader crypto market and a large-scale whale transaction. On July 19, blockchain monitoring service Whale Alert flagged a transfer of 25 million XRP, $70 million, from an unknown wallet to Coinbase. While such transfers often precede selling pressure, the move hasn't derailed XRP's rally. XRP briefly reached $3.54 following the transaction, extending a week-long rally that has seen it gain 25%. This positions the asset within striking distance of its previous all-time high of $3.84 set in 2018. Meanwhile, data from CoinGlass shows that open interest in XRP perpetual futures has surged beyond $11 billion, representing approximately 3.1 billion tokens in leveraged positions. Rising open interest alongside price gains typically indicates growing institutional participation and confidence in XRP's long-term trajectory. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See the next crypto news. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.